Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have TP-LINK Tapo C120 security camera and I'm going to show you how to factory reset your camera. So to do this manually, we have to at first close our camera to not damage it, and now we have to open this little thingy. Here, as you can see, we have a hole for some tight object, for example SIM card reopener, and now we have to just click the button in this hole with our SIM card reopener. It's recommended to do this for at least 10 seconds.
Reset successful.
And as you can see,
camera.
reset is successful. Now we have to wait a moment. Now we can open our camera, and now we just have to wait a moment. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.